Let's unbox the TV. This is the place where I'm going to mount my TV up to the wall. TV standing coming from the box won't be able to hold the TV up there. That's why we need to buy the mounting system, stick it to the TV and drill it into the wall where it will hold the TV. Now I need to stick the bracket to the back of the TV first. You see the TV, it had 4 points where it will hold the bracket. Now you need to take it out and put the bracket in. remember how to calibrate the bracket. You know that you can move it up and down a little bit, but the way how you do it is, so remember, yeah, make sure when you pull the TV up and down, it doesn't crash into the wall. So the light here has to move across the TV. It's not touch the TV at the end of the line. Make sure this light goes straight and not touch the TV. The same for the other side. Take a look from here. This is the top of the TV and there is the bottom. Take a look at here. Go straight down and make sure that it doesn't touch the TV. TV bracket, once it's complete, you can see it's very flat. It's about 3 centimeters. When you stick it to the wall, this is how you can tilt it down, or and then put it up. Pretty simple. Okay, now it's time to prepare the TV wall. So these are the 2 arms that you will stick it to the wall, and then the TV will be hung onto it. So you need to connect them together first, and then on the other side is TV wall. The mounting set, it came with also a wallpaper for you to mark the hole for the drilling. It's quite comfortable if you see here the way how I do it. So they have an application where you just need to put 2 measurements, the height where you want the TV from the floor, and the distance between the bottom of the bracket to the bottom of the TV, and then you get the a specific measurement where this red cross line need to be. And then what you have to do is to put this wallpaper in the middle of the wall. Mark the hole. You have a 1 hole, 2 hole here, and then 1 and 2. So do for the drill, mark this, and then up you go. Because this is the solid wall from the brick, so they recommended to use the drill with 10 millimeter. I already marked 4 points. Now I will start to make the hole. This is my compact drill, and this is the 10 millimeter drill, and it requires to be 7 centimeters deep inside the wall.
Mommy, wow, then mommy gets that wow, then all the best, wow, wow.
So this is the complete installation of TV wall.